Hi, well, as Miriam explained to you, we almost got the right solution back there, but United Airlines was a little too far behind, and we need to figure out when to speed it up to get the right spacing and the right time. So what we're going to do is we're going to replay our trial solution. We're going to pause at 1 minute and see how far back United is, 2 minutes, see how far back United is, and 3 minutes, see how far back United is. And we'll notice that spacing, and we'll find out when we need to get this 3 nautical miles. When we see that separation at 3 nautical miles, that's when we want to speed up the plane, and we want to match Delta speed. United needs to be going the same speed as Delta so that it doesn't keep falling back. So we have a very neat feature in this simulator, something called review mode, where we can take the problem that we just ran and we can go over and we can review it quite simply and stop it at 1 minute, 2 minutes, and 3 minutes. And so we have a video of that, and we'll show that now, and you'll see what the answer is.
Now we'll determine when to speed up the trailing plane to achieve ideal spacing over Modesto and meet the target time. We click Review to enter review mode, where we can replay our trial solution. We'll use the time slider to advance the problem 1 minute at a time and note the plane spacing. To begin, we drag the time slider until the clock displays 1 minute. Note the plane spacing. American is 22 nautical miles from Modesto, and Delta is 25 nautical miles from Modesto. The difference is 3 nautical miles, our ideal spacing. Since American and Delta are traveling at the same speed, they will maintain this ideal spacing all the way to Modesto. Next, notice that Delta is at 25 and United is at 26. So at 1 minute, United has fallen 1 nautical mile behind Delta. Now we drag the time slider until the clock displays 2 minutes. Delta is at 15 and United is at 17. So at 2 minutes, United has fallen 2 nautical miles behind Delta. You may predict that at 3 minutes, United will have fallen behind Delta by 3 nautical miles. Let's verify this. We drag the time slider until the clock displays 3 minutes. Delta is at 5 and United is at 8. So at 3 minutes, United has fallen 3 nautical miles behind Delta. We have achieved ideal spacing. To keep United from falling further behind, we must speed United up to match Delta's speed. To do this, we first need to return to solve mode and reset problem 3-8.
Aha! We know the solution. We know what we need to do now in order to make this problem work out perfectly and get ideal spacing and to get the target time. So what we'll do next is when we come back is we'll play the problem from start to finish in solve mode so that you can see what it exactly is.